Hopefully everybody's okay, but everybody's just gawking. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Brizzy. We're back on the ZX-6R 2024, that is. We're on our way to the men's warehouse. I gotta go get fitted for a suit. I got a wedding coming up. Oh, and listen to her. She sounds so good. I couldn't find my gloves today for some reason, so you'll see my spare ones I got for free. I really not a huge fan of these gloves, but they'll work. This thing just, oh my goodness, it just sounds so much better. And I mean, I know I expected it to sound better, but man, I still haven't taken this baffle out yet. But these gloves are like a little bit too big, so I really don't like these gloves. I don't feel as comfortable on my throttle. They kind of stick to the throttle a little bit too. Stay over here until we gotta get over. You want to downshift. Definitely grabbed my front brake a little bit too hard there. That was unnecessary. It's because these damn gloves, bro. I don't know. I can't feel these gloves like I can feel my other gloves. Kind of just stay in my lane over here. Gloves are like, I remember why I don't like the gloves. Let me find my other one. Quick little freeway around there. Hope you guys, got to hear the exhaust and stuff. But like, look at how much play I have in these gloves. I don't like them. I don't like them. Luckily we don't got too far to ride today. Be nice and short. It's about 90 degrees out. It's hot as fuck. I got my jacket on just because it's a smart thing to do. Might as well be safe if we're gonna be out here on the bike and whatnot. But yeah, we're on our way to Men's Warehouse. I'm gonna get fitted for a suit. Hopefully I'm not in there sweating like a fucking dog. That'd be embarrassing, but we'll see what happens. I don't give a shit. I park right up the fucking sidewalk. Right in the shade where I can see this motherfucker. I don't give a singular damn. So I went to go get fitted for my suit. Of course, like I'm shaped like a V, y'all. Like my shoulders are a 52 and my waist are a 36. So it's like I went to try to rent a suit, right? And they got like a suit that was big enough for my shoulders. But let's just say the gut, bro, like, bro, those 52s are built for somebody with a fucking barrel. I don't really got a barrel like that. Like I got a little barrel, but like mainly V-shaped. So yeah, so basically I'm gonna have to buy a suit and get it tailored and shit. I've only got a couple weeks, and I wasn't like I got other suits on my crib that, like, you know what I'm saying, but I was trying to be like step out of my comfort zone a little bit. I was trying to get like a cream suit with like orange accents, or like an ivory green accents, olive green I should say, because my girl's gonna wear either an orange, like a autumn colored orange. I don't even know what color orange she's, like, you know what I'm saying, like it's like a more of a pastel color orange. Damn, I got hella play in the clutch. I need to tighten that up. This road is so fucked up getting on the freeway. We're gonna take it slow because there's hella potholes and shit. Once we're past this, we're good though. We'll have to go get a suit in the coming days, which I'm cool with. This time I need some new suits anyways. But I definitely wasn't in a rush. I got work coming up here shortly. And then like the tuxedo, or like tuxedo shirt or whatever, the undershirt, my neck is like a 19.5, so let's go around this truck. fellas. Hopefully everybody's okay, but everybody's just gawking. Nothing really crazy going on. Nothing was even going on. I don't even know what was going on there, but it's all good. We're on our way back home. Time is 2 o'clock. Hey, I gotta get back to the crib. Oh, the pops are so beautiful. Probably should just go right. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Should just go right. Yeah, we're gonna go right. The pots are so nice. Well, what's going on, fellas? What's everybody been up to? Somebody drop a comment. Let me know how they're loving riding, how the riding season's going. Let me know what you're riding, how many miles you got down this summer. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I know I gotta do the shift lamp indicator. Somebody wants to see that. I gotta make it short on that. I just haven't had a ton of time lately. I've been I got weddings, been out of town, been on vacation, all type of shit. So but I got the shift lamp indicator coming up. It's just in the settings, it's not a big deal. wish I had more time for you guys today. We just got a short ride. We guys got a couple freeway shots. Should be okay. You guys got to hear the exhaust. I don't even have the gloves on that I want anyway, but it's your boy Bruce. Next time, I'm out, boys. Peace.